Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through the information page in a Power BI dashboard. Here you can view the dashboard overview, help and assistance resources, data sources, and more. Let's get started. Starting from our dashboard, we can access the information page by clicking on it here. Alternatively, if we're already inside a report, we can access the information page by clicking on the icon here. On the left, you'll see the informational topics available. Let's go through the list. The overview section provides a summary of the dashboard and all its components. Sources displays all connected data sources used in the dashboard. In this example, only an SAP data source is connected, but additional sources would be listed here if applicable. Criteria displays any inclusions, exclusions, or filters applied to the dashboard data. The Help and Assistance section can be used for several purposes. If you need support or have questions, you can contact the DNA team via email. If you'd like to provide feedback on this dashboard, click the hyperlink and complete the form. If you need on-the-job resources or support, use the Help Files hyperlink to search for job aids, videos, and other learning resources. Or select the Power BI Quick Tips playlist to browse self-paced tutorials covering different Power BI features and functions. Lastly, we have how-to tips. This is a quick way to see how to perform a specific dashboard function in Power BI. Feel free to go through the list as it expands. And that's a quick tour of the information page in Power BI dashboards. We hope this helps you better understand your dashboard resources, data sources, and available support. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.